Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing another GEL X dupe. You guys have seen me review a lot of dupes on my channel, and we're also going to be doing a gel polish design with Nail Addict LA gel polishes. So first let's do some swatching for Nail Addict. And I am swatching the base coat under all of my swatches because it's my first time using the base coat. I do like it. It is of a thinner consistency. And the first color I swatched, the mint, that was Seafoam. This second color is Bliss Pink. So with my swatches, I only did one coat. This color is Iced Coffee. The last color is going to be called Night Shine. So with all my swatches, I only did one coat. So I wanted to demonstrate that these are pigmented polishes without being thick, which is something that I enjoy. I get a lot of color, but I don't have to worry about losing the shape of my nail because the polish is too thick. Also, I am doing the top coat here, which is also of a thinner consistency than a lot of top coats. So these are the colors that I selected to receive from Nail Addict, and I will link everything down below as well as my discount code if you're interested in this brand. So this is a GEL X dupe. This is by E.Den'S Rose. You guys have seen me use this rubber base coat a bunch of times. So the kit comes with that. The kit also comes with these nail tips, and these are extra long stilettos, and they're 12 different sizes. This is the size 0, which fits perfectly for my wide nail beds. And you also get a mini UV LED lamp. It does have an on-off switch. It does, if you click the button to turn it on, it will stay on for 60 seconds, then automatically shut off. So you can see there's 3 lights underneath, and you get the USB cord to power the lamp. So I am going to be doing a review of both of these products in this video, so hopefully you guys stay tuned. I'm showing you guys how I prep my tips. For the most part, I just etch the inside with primer. For the most part, I don't etch the inside with my e-file or a nail file. I haven't really noticed a difference with wear times, etching the surface either way. So just to keep down the dust in my workroom, I just like to stick with the primer. So I want a sheer look to these, so I'm gonna mix some rubber base coat and this Beetles gel polish. It did come in the Pink Generation kit, which I will link down below as well. So I've never done this before, and I didn't have a sheer builder gel in the bottle. I do have some older ones from Yogi, but those are about 2 years old. So I just decided, let me just create my own builder gel in a bottle. So I did put that on my nail plate and cured that for 60 seconds. Now I'm gonna go in and apply the GEL X tips. So what I'm doing here is I'm just painting the inside of the tips with the rubber base coat and just applying them like normal and curing them. I'm doing a flash cure. Just want to make sure it's adhering to my nail plate. And then I want to flip it over and just clean up the underside of the nail. I want to make sure that it's not pulling anywhere, and because I really want that sheer pink look. And you'll see I kind of did it, but I probably should have mixed it maybe with a different gel polish, but that's what I had available, so that is what I used. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat that same step on all of the nails. I do have a full coverage tips playlist if you want to watch additional applications of this process or different variations of this application. I will link that in the cards above as well as the description box below. And you'll see also different dupes that I have used. This is one of my favorites because, like I said, I love this rubber base coat by E.Den'S Rose, and I use it a lot. Even when I don't have nails on, I just have a couple thin layers of that on my nails, and I just go. So definitely do look into this kit. And as always, I do have a discount code, and that would be in the description box below, along with the link to this kit. So overall, this process is something that you kind of have to do a lot. Um, and the different types of tips and your different nail bed structure will affect your application. I know we see a lot of videos and they just pop it on and it looks perfect, but that's not always the case. It takes practice. And also, even if you've done this for a while, you might get some tips that don't really hug your nails or cup your nails correctly. So your application is going to be a little bit off. So here I'm just cleaning up the shape of my nails. Now I'm going in and cleaning up my cuticle area. And the drill bit I'm using is a fine, I think it's a diamond cut or cross cut drill bit by Pana. I will leave the link for that in the description box below as well. And I do have my drill on a very low speed. This clip is sped up, but this is something that I take my time because I don't want to cut myself and run the risk of getting an infection. So after I clean up the cuticle area on all of the nails, then I just go in and I want to buff the surface of the nail. I want to make sure that surface is smooth. And then I want to make sure it's etched because whatever I place on top, I want to make sure that it adheres to the nail. For me, I didn't really get that sheer look that I wanted. I wanted a little bit more pinkness to it. So I just went over all the nails and did a extra coat of the mixture that I made with the rubber base coat and that Pink Generation gel polish from Beetles. This is optional, so if you like how it looked before, that's fine. Or maybe if you want a little bit more structure to the nail because they're longer, or you like your nails thicker, then how much gel polish, or I'm sorry, gel base, rubber base coat, gel mixture, or whatever product you're using, if you want to use acrylic, whatever on top, that's strictly up to you. It's really based on how you wear your nails and your preference. For me, I just wanted a little bit more pinkness to the nails. So this is one attempt at nail art. I am using the colors Seafoam and Night Shine by Nail Addict. And again, that's going to be linked in the description box below. So I just kind of wanted like a French tip-ish kind of like swirl look. And yes, guys, I do have to do a little bit more practice on my nail art, but that's fine. I do have a question. Have you guys been trying the gel liners that a lot of these companies have been coming out with? What are your thoughts on those? Because for me, I've just been using like my gel polish and then a liner brush. What do you guys think? Like, what do you use? What's your preference? Just definitely let me know. So if you have been with my channel a while, you know that I kind of took a break because I did purchase a home, so I've been moving. Now I'm actually in my home and there's a little bit of work that needs to be done before I can properly set up my nail room. So this video was actually recorded August 20th. And I'm just getting around to uploading it now. Like, there's been so much going on. But, you know, while I've been away, there's a few things that I've been kind of preparing for. I do want to bring a lot more content to my channel. One of the things that I'm working on is going live once a week and just doing some swatches, maybe sip a glass of wine, do some chit chat. So if that's something you guys are if that's something that you guys are interested in the comments down below, leave me days that are good for you in the evenings for me to go live. And with these lives, I'm definitely willing to answer any YouTube questions that you have, any nail questions that you have. I am going to set it up so that you have to be subscribed to participate in the live chat. Because of the information that I'm willing to share, I want to make sure I'm sharing it with my subscribers. So let me know what you guys think about that. Definitely do want to know the best days that would work for you guys in the evenings for me to go live. I prefer to do it during the week. I was thinking Wednesdays, but let me know in the description box below. So you see me just playing with this design. You see my lines aren't perfect. I'm just cleaning it up with a damp gel brush with a little bit of alcohol on it and just cleaning those lines up a little bit. I think I go in with a little bit too much product on my brush, which is why I'm not getting those clean lines. But it's just something that I have to practice and play with. So overall, let me know what you guys think of this design. I really love how this turned out. Like I said, this was recorded in August when mint was still kind of like popular. Now everyone's doing holiday designs already and like fall designs. But also, I generally don't stick with that. I just paint whatever color I want. But definitely would love your thoughts on this. And this is a design you can definitely do with more fall colors if you chose to. But yeah, that is about all I really have to say. Definitely would love your feedback on the gel liner polishes and then versus using your gel polish and a liner brush. And definitely would love to know what days you guys want to go live with me. Please leave that in the description box below. Also, when you're doing your nails, don't forget your cuticle oil. And my oils are available on my website. That information is always in the description box below. I do want to thank you guys for spending your time with me. And definitely make sure that you leave me a comment down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And definitely make sure you're subscribed with your notifications on. I'll see you guys soon for another video.